Greetings, friends. Welcome back to our growing community. Today, we're diving into something every e-commerce enthusiast should know about, the GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation. Particularly important if you're reaching out to customers in Europe. Turns out Magento has excellent support for GDPR, and we're here to guide you on making your store GDPR compliant. Let's get started. Magento plays a critical role in GDPR compliance as a data processor, handling customer data within strong security systems. Besides routine checks and updates for GDPR alignment, Magento aids in locating stored personal data, underscoring its robust commitment to compliance. Let's dive straight into the checklist for achieving GDPR compliance in your Magento store. Firstly, install a cookie consent toolbar. It helps visitors permit the use of their data and third-party tracking cookies. Secondly, make it possible for your customers to request the deletion or hiding of their data. Give your customers access to their data. Let them ask for a copy of their personal information and ensure you provide it within 30 days, free of charge. Next up, keep your data protection policy updated. Make sure it's easy for your customers to find on all your website pages. Finally, we have security testing. Make sure your Magento system is up to date. For an easier compliance process, consider using GDPR extensions for Magento. They come with added features such as data withdrawal, cookie policy bar, consent management, and much more. When it comes to GDPR compliance, getting customer permission is an absolute must. Make it simple for your customers to understand what they're consenting to. Keep their permission records safe and easily accessible for changes or revocation anytime. And that's a wrap for today. With these guidelines, you're one step closer to creating a safer, more secure online space for your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. Until our next video, stay compliant.